Hey, it's Ranger 374 coming to you from the Bass Cave. Hope everyone is doing well and catching some fish. It's been hot out there. It's either 95 degrees here or it's pouring rain. So it's kind of tough to do anything outside. So I got a Tackle Warehouse MTB replacement. Giving you a break from my eBay finds. I have a lot of eBay sitting here and I got to weed through it, and you know, I've been doing brand lures like Norman, Bandit, stuff like that. I got some random stuff from different brands. I think I'll do that one, but anyway, give you a break from that. Do some Tackle Warehouse. Nothing huge, just replacement stuff that I would spend on a MTB box, which was useless. If you ever watch them, you can look back and see a bunch of junk I got. But anyhow, got 2 decals, you know, small order, and I get 2 decals, so hallelujah to me, right? But anyway, like I said, just some random stuff, not really new stuff. Sometimes it's replacement, sometimes it's not. But I got some of these 3.8 Kitex, and I got some pink ones go on my pink swim jigs. They kind of tear up, so I know this glare is going to be horrible. It's like, it looks like it's going to rain outside, and got this ring light on, but Carl, just ease up, you're good. Just pink ones. I think pink magic is what they call that one. I got these are table rocks, purple on one side and chartreuse on the other. They'll go good, pretty good trailer. They're pretty sweet, going purple swim jig. And I think I got some more, but got a couple. Well, actually I did get a couple new things. And one of them ain't new, but it was like a TW color. I like these Gambler bacon rinds. This is gonna come up crappy, but I'm not gonna open them because they're sealed. But it's just TW's Junebug, and everybody knows what Junebug is, but it's a pretty cool color in Junebug. I mean, it's really that bright purple with the green flake. I know that sounds obvious, but it's pretty cool color when it's that TW exclusive. So give them a try if you want, if you like Junebug especially. And another new one, but I just needed one. Like I said, a lot of this stuff is just replacement stuff. I like these rod gloves, and I need to get a spinning one. So got the old black and red. I know, crazy stuff, right? But actually this stuff is new. But I've been holding back on, and now I don't even think I'll get any more of these. I've been having such bad reviews on this thing that I think I'll just stick with the Evo Minis. This is the Baby Jack. Of course, it's black and blue, my favorite color. You know, just a Baby Jack, but you can go out there and watch all the reviews on them and YouTube videos. But if you follow Mikey Balls, he does, man, he's got reviews on these things left and right. And all the ones I see aren't impressive, so I haven't thrown one yet, so I'll give it a shot. But anyway, these ones, I don't know if anybody's, you know, probably get a comment about these, but it's the Randy Blockett. Yeah, I know. throwback jig. Somebody's gonna say, oh, you don't need to buy them things, but these are like the old mop jigs, you know, from the 70s. So I don't care who makes them. It's Cumberland Lures. I got two of them. One of them's the black and chartreuse jig. It's like the old mop jigs, if anybody remembers the old mop jigs. Got the living rubber skirts. Yeah, if you know, you know, is all I can say. But yeah, they're a little more expensive. But got the 3/8 size, black and blue, normal. But Randy Blockett, I don't care what you say about him. I've been following him since '89 when he sunk his boat to win Bugs Island down in Virginia, Kerr Reservoir. So I followed him his whole career. If you haven't, you missed out. That guy won some awesome stuff. So anyway, something new here. And Joseph, he'll be happy. I got the new Gambler Frog. This is Okie Shad. Don't know what that really means, but it's just a shad color. And like I say, you always get a white and black one, or something close to that. You're gonna start out, but Okie Shad, and that actually has kind of a whitish chartreuse belly. I know I didn't take it out, but Okie Shad, you can check them out. And of course, I got the black one, just a walking frog. Call this one, yeah, just call it black. Cool. That's all you need to know. But popping frog, and just a walking frog. Give them a shot, see what happens. You know me, I gotta have some frogs. But that's it from Tackle Warehouse. Like I said, I got a bunch of cool stuff from eBay, and trying to get some videos done, but outside, forget it. Trying to work on, Pop Skeeter and this and that, and family issues that are going on. And I gotta get out and do some pre-fishing for the next club tournament. So be busy, but I'm gonna try to get some videos out. So leave a comment, let me know what you think, and go catch some fish. It's Ranger 374, and I'm out.